Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the data controls so the status bar can report usage. Open Settings, then Connections, then Data Usage. You must have mobile data turned on because the system reads that state to show any data icon. Once done, tap the Data Usage panel to reveal per app counters and the usage icon options. This is where the notification bar display is governed. Make sure to continue. This step ensures the device can monitor and present live usage in the notification area. You now change the visible setting so the notification bar displays data usage. In data usage, select More Settings or Advanced Settings, then enable Show Data Usage in Status Bar or the Quick Panel option. This toggles the visual indicator. You should also check per app background data. Restricting heavy apps reduces spikes and makes the displayed numbers meaningful. Once enabled, pull down the notification shade to confirm the icon. If it's missing, proceed to the final verification step. You finish by confirming the change and fixing common failures. Pull down the notification shade and watch the data indicator update as you use data. This verifies success. If it doesn't appear, restart the phone to refresh system services and then recheck the setting. Many issues clear with a reboot. If the icon still fails, reset network settings to restore default mobile service configurations. Do that only after backing up Wi-Fi passwords and pairing info, because it removes saved networks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.